Hello, children of God. This is Yemi. While I was praying for you today, I heard the Lord saying, I am redeeming broken relationships and restoring lost hopes. God knows how to bring restoration to every hurting heart, and He is doing that for you right now. He's bringing healing and reconciliation to fractured relationships. Those godly bonds that were strained or broken are being mended and strengthened by His grace. The Lord is also restoring your lost hopes and shattered dreams. The setbacks and disappointments you faced will not define your future. Instead, the God of redemption is breathing new life into your aspirations, breathing hope into your soul. So rest in the assurance that the Lord is in control. And as you wholeheartedly entrust your brokenness and lost hopes into His loving hands, you will see His transforming grace pull them all together in ways that are beyond your imagination. Amen. I love you and I'm praying for you. God bless you.